Rightio, here we go. Raymond's all set here, Tyson, big fella. We're going to head out to Margaret Cove. Jimmy's got a new ute, but we're not actually using it at the moment. It's not set up, it's not ready, no two-way, no nothing. So yeah, we'll hit the road. I've got my navigator there, let my tyres down. You're the man, Tyson. What's Raymond doing?
Just backing out of the mud so I can let the tyres down.
I've got it offside of doing mine. Oh, we've got a bit of mud coming up here. Bit of four-wheel driving, mate. Three over there, four of them.
These are nice size.
Yeah, a couple of small ones and a big one there.
Mummy and daughter.
Raymond's giving the young fella a few tips here.
Take that off.
Jimmy's there waiting patiently, ready for a big strike. And Raymond here, rigging up his line. Oh, bloody hell, what do you got here? Jeez. Oh my god.
Into it.
Well, I think the big fella's hooked one here. He seems to think it's a salmon. We've got a customer for a salmon. Oh, it's got off. Oh, two in a row here. That's a bit of a bummer. Oh, what's the go, Raymond?
Nothing there.
It was fairly going there for a while. Yep.
Might have screamed off with me, mate. I'll just leave it for a bit, but sounds like there might be salmon. Did you actually see Cody's salmon?
No, I didn't see it, mate. No.
Oh, I'm going to get him.
What's going on down here?
The boys are into it, drone fishing.
You've got enough on it.
100 metres.
Yeah, don't do that, do you? Pouring off now.
That's probably enough.
Go with that?
Yeah, I reckon.
That's a fair way out.
You can see on there. Which I think Toss has actually hooked something here. What do you think it is? Some sort of what species? Oh Jesus.
I was actually got my other one.
Oh, what a
Oh, no,
mess.
is it?
Righto, on the barbie.
Brave wig.
Ray's wig. Whoa, Raymond.
Coming into me.
Oh, you're a bit worried, are you?
Yeah, there's not a lot of fight.
Oh, it's some sort of shark. You see that?
Rockhead shark.
Oh, that's not what we want.
Yeah. That's a shark.
What is that?
What is he? Holy shit!
What's a wobbly gone?
It's a boxhead or a Port Jackson shark.
That's a cool little guy, isn't it?
It's actually protected. We've got
Is
to
it?
put him
Oh,
back.
feeling skin. It's like the bloody fiddler race.
Oh, you last
He's a different colour, isn't he?
Yeah, he's a beauty. What an awesome fish.
Little fighter.
Has he got teeth?
Don't know, I don't want to put my fingers in there.
Look like it, eh?
It doesn't look like
he's
it.
a bit of a gummy.
Yeah, if they are, they're very small, so.
And that skin's just like that fucking fiddler race.
Cool.
Real
Course, really cool.
Awesome.
Hey, we've got a fish, man!
Look at his, he's got a little two nostrils there.
Here you go, Tyson. Go and release him, then. He's protected. Oh, hey, be careful. He's got a bone right there. That's not fin. Don't get
He's
stabbed.
got two.
On both of them. Yeah, don't get stabbed. Could be poisonous.
This is what we've woken up to this morning. Absolutely sensational. The view out the tent is pretty much what you're looking at now. Boys have got their rods in, they got up really early. Big fella just telling me he lost a big stingray, took off, couldn't hold it, about to cut the line. Now we have Raymond Foster. Mr. Foster was playing up a bit last night. He's still in there. He had a few too many vodkas on him. He was basically out of control again. Jimmy's in there knocking up a couple of coffees, a couple of heart starters. Tyson over there keeping an eye on his rod. He's still waiting to catch that gumby, he's hanging out.
After you like went to bed, Ray caught a herring.
Oh, dude.
Put mine in and put a
Oh, check these bad boys out. Oh, we're living the dream here this morning. Check this out. Absolutely sensational. Jimmy's knocking up the toast here. Get the tomatoes going there.
2 per person, Toss.
2 per person.
Got
Yep.
it.
Oh man, check this out.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome,
Bloody
isn't it?
magnificent. Wake up at 5:30 this morning, back out there. Alright Raymond, Timmy and I are going to head off.
Yeah, mate.
You're going to do a couple of casts with some bait, eh? couple of herring.
Hopefully catch a herring. No luck, I'll be bailing myself.
Tyson's going to hang back with Raymond. He caught a little, what was it, flathead? Little,
Yeah,
little,
about that
Got a little herring?
Hopefully it's a good size, you're going to love it. Oh, it's a nice one.
Oh yeah, nice little herring. Beautiful.
That's actually a little salmon trout. You'll like that too.
Oh, is it? Little trout?
Yeah. I think it is. It's got the... Oh, I might...
Nah, it's a herring.
That's a big herring.
Oh yeah, no, nothing wrong with that, mate. Awesome.
He's good
awesome.
eating.
Yeah, yeah.
Good chewing. Alright.
Righto, we're on our way home. We're going to see if we can spot some roos. There's plenty of them around here. Gee, there's those shorties on, is there? There's a couple of big ones there too. Wow, all that bloody dust. Coming off the old paddock there, farmer not going to be too happy about that. Topsoil blown away.